welcome back to my channel. This is Bhavika and I know it has been a very long time and I know some of you might have been looking up to me for videos, and I'm really sorry because I could not come up with content because I could not decide what content I should post and what I should come up with. So sorry for the delay in the video. Okay, so let us jump to the topic of today's video. The topic of today's video, as you can see by the title, is the makeup for video calls, or if you're working from home, then for the Zoom call video. And it is going to be a really simple and easy to do makeup look, and it does not involve a lot of the products. So let us jump right into the video. To start with, I've already moisturized my skin. That is, I have put on a lot of moisturizer because my skin is dry skin and I don't want to look dry on the camera. I need to look hydrated. My skin needs to look hydrated on camera. So I've already put on a lot of moisturizer and let it set in for good 5 minutes. So make sure that you do that. So let us start with the second step. The second step is going to be foundation. I'm not going to use any concealer today because I don't think that we need to use concealer for a video calling thing. I don't think कि हमको concealer की ज़रूरत है. So the foundation that I'm going to use is the Nykaa Skin Shield Foundation, Anti-Pollution Foundation. It is a deep hydration formula and the shade is 03 Frisky Creme. So this is the amount that I have taken on my hand, and I'm going to be blending it with the blender. I'm going to apply it under my eyes as a concealer because I'm not going to use a concealer in this look. So you can see the finish of this foundation is really skin-like, and it looks like it is just my own skin, and it does not look that I have applied foundation on my skin. Particularly this foundation adopts the color of your skin very nicely. Next, I am not going to use any setting powder today because the foundation is an oil control foundation, and since I have dry skin, so I don't need to set it. But if you want, you can use a little bit of the setting powder to set all of it. The second step is going to be my brows. For brows, I am going to use the Etude House brow pencil, and for this particular step, I am just going to fill in the empty spaces in my brows, and I am not going to ruin the regular shape of my brow because we need to look natural on video calls, and it should not like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. You can clearly make out the difference between this brow and this brow, and the major difference is that it looks a lot fuller and this looks really empty. The third step is eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I am going to use the Nykaa 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette. Shade is Beachside Peach. The color that I am going to be taking is this peach color, and I am not going to apply a lot of eyeshadow on my face because obviously this is not a party. This is not a party call, this is an office video call, and it should not be very loud. The makeup needs to be subtle. As you can see, this did add a little bit of the color to my eyes, and this is just the amount of color that I need right now, and I don't need to go loud with my eyes. The next step is going to be a kajal, and I am not going to use an eyeliner today. I am going to put it in my lower waterline and my upper lash line, and really close to my upper lash line, and smudge it out with. I'm going to do the same on the other eye and be right back. So that is it for the eyes. You can see how subtle and simple the eyes look, yet it is a very attractive way to create an eye look. Next product is a contour. So for contour, I'm going to use the Nykaa contour, and I'm going to take this on a brush Let us move on to the next step, that is blush. For blush, I'm going to use the same eyeshadow palette and the same shade that I have put on my eyes to match a little bit. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just a little bit of the product. So the blush is one thing that you can add on and you can go loud with in this case, because you need to look healthy and your skin looks healthier, and the color that you get back on your skin is with blush. So with blush you can put as much as you want. Next step is highlighter. For highlighter I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. And do I need to tell you anything about this highlighter? I guess this is a self-explanatory product and we all know how beautiful this highlighter is. So yeah. Get that glow back, girl. What can I say about the highlighter thing? I think everybody loves it, everybody likes to wear it. It gives you the glow that you need. And what else would you ask for? So the last and the final step is lipstick. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Nykaa Matte 2 Last lipstick in the shade Bombay. This is my favorite color from this Nykaa collection, and it is a nude color, and this is going to look beautiful on your video calls, and it looks like there is a little bit on your lips but not too much. Let me show you the color looks like. So this is what the color looks like, and it is an absolutely amazing nude color. This is the final look, guys, and I hope you all like this look. I have tried to create this look with the minimum set of makeup products that I could create it, because I know that when getting ready for video calls and stuff, we are actually not interested in getting ready and we don't like to get ready for video calls. But if there is an important meeting and you need to look a little formal or put on a little bit makeup, so this is the makeup look that you can go for. And make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and I'll make sure that I deliver content quite regularly now. I'll see you next time. Bye.